MicroStrategy. There's hardly a day that goes by, like I said, where Bitcoin's not up. And if Bitcoin's up, well, MicroStrategy's up. How come? Because they own over 350,000 Bitcoins. That's why. Pete, they bought another $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin last week. And the Nasdaq had some pretty interesting things to say about how they're going to be included in the Nasdaq 100. So that was big news that also helped drive this stock today. It's already traded 16 million shares, Pete. And, you know, that's a full day's volume in just the first 3 hours. Pretty impressive.
Pretty impressive. Michael Saylor is absolutely amazing. His commitment to what he's doing is absolutely amazing as well, John. I mean, like you said, and as a matter of fact, I used this last week. I'll use it again. He owns more than 2% of all the Bitcoin in the world. So when I say he, MicroStrategy does, this is unbelievable what they've been able to accomplish. And yet the stock's not actually at its all-time highs. It's significantly off of that, which was 543. But I would say this, John, how about if I told you the stock is up 540% year to date? That's not so bad. And a lot of that, almost all of that, is credited to the fact of what they are doing, what the investment has been by Michael Saylor. And he just keeps doing it. Like you said, I think he just added, what did you say? I think it's $1.5 billion more in Bitcoin. So the numbers are staggering. He continues to be a major force here. And yet they've got their own company too, which is an AI-powered software. So everything seems to be going in the right direction. And I'll tell you, if Bitcoin goes anywhere near where I know you have talked about, John, I think you've used numbers like maybe 150,000 or something like that, maybe even higher than that in the not too distant future. I would say this stock has plenty of fuel that would get in there behind it and push this stock even higher.
Yep. Wherever Michael Saylor is today, probably right around Miami. That's where he hangs a lot, Pete. He's a pretty happy camper, as are the shareholders of MSTR.